Hi guys, welcome back to Nduta's kitchen. Today I am back again with another fresh juice video. However, today I'm going to try and make it a lot creamier, a lot heavier, a lot, filling. I'll need a watermelon, one pawpaw, this sized pawpaw that I got for 50 shillings, one avocado that I got for 30 shillings, some bananas, and 1 glass of milk. If you want, you can add any kind of flavored milk or any kind of yogurt that you like in place of this kind of milk. So I'm going to start cutting my watermelon. I like adding watermelons in all my juices because it reduces the amount of water that I add into my juice because it has a lot of juices. So I'm going to repeat this process with all my other fruits. Please keep watching to see how it all turns out because it turned out great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And remember to turn on the notification bell because you will be notified every time I put something out. Also, talk to me on my comments. Tell me what kind of fruits you like, what kinds of juice you like, and let's have a good time. So enjoy! Oh, if you would be interested to get any kind of equipment that I use in my videos, check out the link in my description box for more details. Now enjoy!